Hello everybody, and welcome back to another edition of Top 10 with Alex. Today I'm pleased to let you know that we have a special guest chef. Please welcome Leah. Today, we are going to be making the fourth item on our list of top 10 easy and interesting meals, although this one is more of an appetizer or snack. But I think you'll enjoy it at any time of the day or night. So, without further ado, I'll turn it over to Leah.
Hey there. Today I have an awesome recipe for you that's perfect for a healthy snack or appetizer, homemade hummus. This delicious dip is made with just a few simple ingredients and is incredibly easy to prepare. The equipment you need for this recipe is about as simple as it gets. You'll need a blender or a food processor, a measuring cup and measuring spoons, and a bowl and spoon. That's it. Once you have your cooking equipment ready, you'll need to gather your ingredients. You'll need a can of chickpeas, 15 ounces, tahini, a sesame seed paste, lemon juice, garlic cloves, cumin, salt, olive oil, and water. Once you've got everything together, it's time to start blending. You can use your food processor or a blender to combine the chickpeas, tahini, lemon juice, garlic, cumin, salt, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Pulse everything together until it's smooth and creamy. If the mixture is too thick, you can add water a little bit at a time until you achieve the desired consistency. Don't be afraid to taste the hummus and adjust the seasoning as needed. You can always add a bit more salt or lemon juice if you like. Finally, drizzle the remaining olive oil over the top of the hummus and serve with some pita bread or veggies. This hummus is perfect for dipping, spreading, or just eating by the spoonful. It's also a great way to get some healthy protein and fiber into your diet.
Thank you, Leah, that looks delicious. A full list of ingredients and instructions is in the description below. Please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel.